Homeowners are catching on that solar power means clean energy and lower electric bills. But did you know that 73% of homeowners are unable to go solar because their property is not ideal for solar or the system is just too expensive? Now you can go solar without having any solar panels on your roof. With YSG Solar, you can subscribe to a local community shared solar farm and take advantage of all the perks of solar without installing solar panels on your property. We have installed thousands of panels in ideal locations, so you don't have to. Each of these solar panels generate energy credits. YSG Solar works with your electric company so that every month energy credits will be applied to your bill to offset or eliminate your electric expense. Subscribe to as many solar panels as you need. Subscriptions can be transferred and sized larger or smaller as your electric usage changes. And if you move, YSG Solar can easily transfer solar subscriptions. Whether you rent or own, homeowners and businesses can all get clean power and start saving. Sign up today.